Hey guys, this is John with Forced to Reset. Um, some guys are having issues running their forced reset triggers with 7.62 by 39 ammo, and these triggers and systems actually need to be set up for that. And there's aftermarket things that you can get for your triggers and for your rifle. And the main problem is this military ammunition. Most of this stuff from overseas has what they call a Berdan primer, which is a hard primer, and it's to help keep them military style rifles from slam firing when they're handled on the battlefield. And our typical light springs in our rifles and our tips on our firing pins aren't really designed to fire this ammunition. So to solve that problem, we have a couple places like Freedom Gear. There's a company called Freedom Gear. You can get on there and get an enhanced spring kit for your trigger itself. And this is the stainless steel heavy spring to replace the standard spring in your triggers. These two triggers here. This one here is a Selector trigger, and this is the Incognito. Literally, they're basically the same trigger, just different bodies. But if you look close, the Selector trigger still got the standard spring on it, on the hammer, and the big heavy stainless spring on the Incognito, because I took it out of one of the 7.62 by 39s that I run. But that makes a ton of difference, and just more power hitting that firing pin. One problem: occasionally you can have a mishap like we have here. This is a hammer. But anyway, snap that hammer slap in two on a wide open trigger, and just a little bit too much oomph. Never seen one break, but that one did. And there's companies you can get replacement parts. Militia State Armory sells replacement parts. Freedom Gear sells replacement parts for all these triggers. But here's the other solution here. Your firing pins for the 7.62 hard primered ammo, you can get an enhanced firing pin. This here is the enhanced firing pin. It's got a longer tip, standard firing pin here, and if you get them side by side, you can see that enhanced firing pin has longer tip, which allows a little more extension out the end of the bolt to fire that round to dent that primer. But like I say, there's modifications that can be made, and they'll run great. This rifle here, it's got a super safety in it, and once again, it's got an enhanced firing pin and an enhanced hammer spring. And once I did that to it with that super safety in it, it's a screamer. And I have another one, shorter barrel, same setup, but with the Incognito in it, that heavy spring and enhanced firing pin, and it gets with it, it runs. But there's a little maintenance involved, different things you can do to get them running. But like I said, if you guys need anything, comment and subscribe if you haven't. Don't cost you nothing. I'm trying to build this channel up, kind of help guys out. And like I said, all this stuff is just for fun on the range. None of it's gonna save your life, but it sure is fun. But you guys have a good one.